want to wish my brother, Apostle Suleiman, a happy birthday, a birthday full of life. I wish him peace and joy and wisdom and God's grace that he has continued to shower on him as he celebrates yet another birthday this year. My brother, Apostle Suleiman, say congratulations, and I pray that God will continue to keep you, give you long life in good health, and I pray that your family will continue to be in peace with you, and your children will grow up to be children that are after your heart, children that will be there when you are actually old and take care of you. You have been an inspiration, you have been a guardian, you have been a spiritual leader of note. I want to just say congratulations, and I wish you many happy returns in good health in Jesus' name.